Best Hatchbacks Car for 2025 to 2024 Subaru Impreza. The 2024 Subaru Impreza has emerged as the top choice for hatchback enthusiasts in 2025, combining reliability, practicality, and all-weather capability in a compact and stylish package. With its updated design, improved performance, and advanced features, the Impreza stands out as a well-rounded vehicle that meets the diverse needs of modern drivers. Enhanced performance and all-wheel drive mastery. Under the hood, the 2024 Impreza is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 152 horsepower and 145 lb-ft of torque. While these numbers might not make it the most powerful in its class, the Impreza shines with its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, a standard feature that sets it apart from many competitors. This system ensures superior traction and stability, making the Impreza an ideal choice for drivers who face varying weather conditions. Subaru has also improved the Impreza's suspension and chassis for 2024, offering a smoother ride and more responsive handling. Whether navigating city streets or taking on winding country roads, the Impreza delivers a confident and comfortable driving experience. Additionally, the Impreza's fuel efficiency remains impressive, with up to 31 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. Modern design and spacious interior. The 2024 Impreza features a refreshed exterior design with a more aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a refined overall profile. These updates give the Impreza a modern and sporty look that appeals to a wide range of drivers. The hatchback design provides added versatility, with ample cargo space and a rear seat that folds flat to accommodate larger items, making it perfect for weekend getaways or everyday errands. Inside, the Impreza offers a comfortable and well-appointed cabin with high-quality materials and user-friendly technology. A standard 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures seamless connectivity, while available features like heated seats and a premium Harman Kardon audio system add a touch of luxury. Safety and technology at the forefront. Safety is a top priority for Subaru, and the 2024 Impreza is no exception. The car comes equipped with Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features provide an extra layer of protection, making the Impreza a reliable and secure choice for families and individuals alike. Conclusion. The 2024 Subaru Impreza is the best hatchback car for 2025, offering a perfect blend of practicality, safety, and all-weather capability. Its balanced performance, modern design, and advanced features make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile hatchback.